Hello friends, welcome to learn HTML without an editor. Now, in previous lecture, we have seen how to change body background or how to set image to body background, and as well as we have some basic tag. Now, let us begin with some new tag. First, save as this file, give the name file4, and don't forget extension .html. Now let us edit this file. Let us remove some part. Here we don't want background, we want a plain body. Okay, now let us begin with paragraph tag. Paragraph tag begin with p tag. Okay, paragraph tag create a group of given lines. Suppose now we see the output, save it and double click it to open in a browser. Let us zoom it with Ctrl and plus key. Okay, this is paragraph. Now let us open the source code. Again here we get one more paragraph. This is group tag. Save the file and let us see the preview. Okay, now there is a one blank line between two paragraphs. This is default. Okay, if we create multiple line within the paragraph, suppose let us copy it, paste. Suppose we want to here create some lines. And if you want here new line, then you should give the br tag for break. Okay, save it. Now Alt tab and F5 for refresh. Here is we use a br tag. We have here three paragraph. For this paragraph tag, we can use a alignment attribute. The first one is align is equal to left, that is default. Now align is equal to, suppose here we use center, and align equal to right. This is a left, center and right. Like this you can use paragraph to create a group of your lines or data. Okay, this is very simple tag. Like a paragraph tag, you can also use a div tag. Now let us see, or let us save as this page. File.html, and let us create this to a div tag. Instead of paragraph, here you can use a simply div tag. Close it. Now here you will quickly get the difference between these two, div and paragraph. Div is also used to create division. File, save, and now here I give the name file6. Then you can also edit the name on this address bar. Enter. This is a div tag. Okay, the major difference is, in case of paragraph, there is one blank line between the paragraph. Here is a single line between the two div tag. Div tag is used in case of CSS tool. Okay, we will use, or we will see in detail about div tag in case of CSS. Okay, Now let us create one more a simple tag. Save as this file. Now I give the name sitefy.html. Don't forget the extension. And here is a simple tag of heading. Heading tag begin with h1 and you can give level to h6. Now this one is h2. Heading tag contain default font size. Let us save it. Again here use the file name on address bar F5. This is heading tag. Let us zoom it. This size are default. If you directly use the H4, then it will display on your page. If you directly use the H2, then this will display on your page. These are the default size of heading tag. For heading tag also we can easily give the align attribute. Save it. Refresh the page. Okay, the align attribute you can go to a paragraph tag as well as heading tag. Okay, now this is all in this video. We will see the new tag in next video. Thank you for watching the video.